it's day 2 in HANA for us. We spent the night, we've had breakfast at the Barefoot Beach Cafe in HANA. HANA's definitely more about the actual trip. When you actually get to HANA, it's just a little town, there's not a lot there. Right now we found a really cool waterfall. We've continued on the road and we're going to try and get all the way around the mountain today, the backside of Haleakala.
Go tell the rental car company.
Go tell the rental car company that though. We're now on the Pipiwa trail. There's no rain today, so that's nice. I think that the waters are going to be high everywhere we go.
It sounds like there's a lot of water running. In fact, let's go take a quick look at it.
Ooh, danger.
I'd say that's a fatal drop. If
wow,
you fall, you'd probably get caught in the bamboo. So you wouldn't drown, you'd just die a painful, agonizing, bleed to death.
Instant death.
It's so hot and humid.
It's really hot today.
It's so humid.
We're missing the rain today. Oh wow. That is cool.
It's really incredible how dense this bamboo grows.
It's really cool. When the wind blows it as well, it's like you can hear it clattering around above you. Some massive pieces of bamboo. This is head height for me, and it goes all the way up. It's so cool. Wow. Well, we made it to the top and it's spectacular. It looks beautiful.
That waterfall is so tall. It's really amazing.
Yeah, it's definitely worth the hike to the top. Check out the waterfall.
We're laid at the back of Haleakala and it is incredible. They have some cattle ranches. We're looking at some cows. They have some calves that just calved, and it is just beautiful over here, and we're really happy we decided to come the back way home.
Wow, look at this. An incredible day, the road to HANA and beyond. And now we're just watching the sunset. It's beautiful.